someone must work on it.
Well, I know.
Everyone. This is like really new to me. It's like really, it's like a newborn chicken. Came out of the egg.
Out of all the things to choose from, you choose a chicken.
It's odd, yeah. Compared to everything else I have, it's a newborn chicken.
Hey, welcome back to Mickelson Racing Channel. Today we are doing some fun stuff. We are back in windy North Dakota where, gosh, the state just really blows. And Mr. Chad here, the green machine, showed up to party and his Radiator hose is blowed out. Let me show you what he's got freaking going on. What a goon. Pinhole in the radiator. It's not the hose, the actual radiator's crap. What do you think of this? So now that all the coolant is hot and all the radiator and stuff is all hot, we're gonna change this thing out since Chad is like 25 miles from his house. So Chad's got a buddy that's got a spare and he already pulled it and is on his way over. So we're gonna pull this thing out, I guess, and do a little swapperoo as an impromptu Friday night radiator change.
Oh, Chadwick, how's it going today, huh?
Eh?
A
For
for effort.
Canada today.
A for effort.
How about them Canucks, eh?
A for absolutely awesome day, eh? A for August strutting and stuff like, eh?
Eh? Look at him go, eh? He's A-okay.
A-okay today. A, just an awesome day.
He's like a Canadian tomato, eh?
What you working on there, eh?
Oh,
Ooh, we got some nice tools there, eh?
Yeah, I found this in Chad's grandparents' house, so I
hey.
commandeered it.
Oh, hey.
Hey, I like the way you use them.
I commandeered it because Chad wasn't using it, so I decided I was doing it.
Oh, yours, eh?
Oh. Where's the bucket? How's the bucket placement?
Ah, strategic.
It's A, not very good, eh? There, now it's better, eh? I have no idea if I videoed that right, eh? The wind really just throws her off a little bit.
Eh? There's wind in Canada. Eh?
Well, as long as I can get some.
Oh, we're catching a okay amount of it. Eh?
Hey, you're full.
Oh, we barely lost any then, eh?
Yeah.
Maybe it was just overfilled. They're just getting rid of the excess. That's just the breather valve.
I'm sure.
Eh?
A farm truck look, eh? You ever seen them guys on a farm truck, eh?
Yeah.
This has like 900 less horsepower, though.
Hey, he's got a big block. I got a big block, so pretty much the same thing.
Oh, you both got big blocks, eh?
Yeah.
What no?
Hey, take off your hoser, eh?
Wow, you're so funny.
Take off your hoser.
Oh, that almost was good placement, eh?
This is a good placement.
Oh, it's like it's made factory.
Made for that. It's like a hose holder.
OEM hose holder. What do you got to say about this Zeus? He's like, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this, eh?
You'll be better in August. Nose bump. Nose bump. Oh, I just broke that.
We're just making slight modifications.
Brand
over
new.
here.
Before I did that.
You guys just want to stare at some cows for a while?
My new old stock. That.
Oh, is that your transfer case
Yes,
thing?
I told you that. That's what that is. And it's bad.
I see that.
That's not good.
Nah, you can't see it. It doesn't stick out at all.
Put some dirt over it or something. He's gonna yell at you if he sees it. Good work. Oh,
Kicked a nice rock into the grass.
I'm definitely putting that in the video.
So
You see that spot right there we're trying to hit? Yeah.
Good job, you got a whiff of her.
A real mean person would just go for the 10mm and just take that and then walk away.
That one.
Yeah.
That one. Oh, there's no half-inch drive tin.
I mean, if I hold on to them, they'll be at least safe. You won't be able to use them like any other time, but they'll be safe. Probably not. Look at this wicked sick Mickelson Racing Channel thingy that they put on there. It's just cool. I like that so much.
Do you actually?
Yeah, I actually do enjoy that a lot. It's got like a muddy like texture looking thing to it.
So this is our design. It's like rustic,
Yeah.
you know? And so this is what we uploaded. And I had to pay an extra fee because some poor soul had to pick out every single one of these by hand with an X-Acto knife.
Really?
And, yeah.
They probably didn't get them all.
They probably didn't get them all, but it looks great. But
Yeah.
some poor soul had to spend probably hours of their day doing that.
Oh, that looks so cool.
It does look, it really pops against the,
Yeah, I think it's the coolest looking thing ever, but
I wish the Sick Week sticker stuck as
I mean,
well.
it's nothing like this custom mud graphics on here. They got some nice custom graphics on here.
Don't show them the ruts. Not advised.
What ruts? Those ruts over there?
No, not those ruts.
Don't film these ruts over here. These aren't the ruts he's talking about, but I won't show them to you because they're not the ruts, but there's some slight water damage over here. We don't know what happened. Apparently a two-wheel drive can make 4 holes.
What's he been mudding with the...
Oh, that's the new custom graphic he got on there.
Ah, nice.
It kind of matches the side one over here.
Dirt strip. It's a new kind
Yeah.
of racing or what?
They really like it and appreciate it when that falls off on the track. We were walking out and like guy was standing at the doorway and I was like, oh! And I like walked out, I was like, oh, my Minnesotan came way out there.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Oh, gotta get out of your way there. Life savior right here.
Don't be shining the camera.
Yeah,
on it, eh?
don't get his face in. He's sensitive.
Yeah.
It's good enough for who it's for, okay?
That's true. I got nothing.
Chadwick, we need your perfect pitch hearing. What
Ready?
note? What note is this?
Ready?
E minor.
Okay, you got way too much hose clamp. Bothers me.
Yep, too much E minor hose clamp.
Take off your hose, right?
Oh! How many battery charge? Man, we must have a lot of batteries that are dead here on the Mickelson Racing channel. We have battery chargers today. We got one there, one over there. There's probably a few over here too while we're at it. Oh, there's a jumper pack back there.
Farm truck. It's farm truck copper.
Nah, you'd have to have the topper open to have it the farm truck topper.
No, after you launch, it flies.
Oh.
That's the key.
So what's this got the 6.0 in it for a lady?
This? 454 for a lady.
Oh, isn't it an LS?
Nope. Big block. Did it in high school in shop class. And then blew it up 8 miles later and then did it again.
8 miles later?
Yep.
For why?
High performance flex fan with no shroud. Cut the radiator hose. Didn't know it because my small block temp sender was in my big block when it was pegged out. Didn't know it, didn't care. Kept driving and then spun a bearing. Shut it off right away so I could save the crank and everything. Just had to go through it. Pulled it out of some guy's yard. It was sitting under a semi-trailer, no bags on it. Intake was exposed. Cleaned it up, threw an intake on it, painted it.
crushing all his feelings right now.
I was in high school. I was all sorts of dumb, but I had
Don't
a
matter.
But I had a
Did
big
it get
block.
any better?
But I had a
Nope,
big block.
man.
That was so cool.
Was it getting any better?
We all made dumb decisions in high school.
Old 72. She's back in business. We got a Radiator all done up and ready to rock and roll. Kind of impromptu radiator change, but hey, it was good to go. Got Chadwick back on the road. Oh yeah, lifted, 4-speed, 33s.
I was really scared where he was going with that.
Well, here Karski's gonna get in the way of my video.
Oh, I was in the video?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bye, Karski.
Carbonator.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing right here in the corner of this video, and we'll see you next week on the Mickelson Racing channel.